parties awaiting the commencement of the day's sitting at the Presidential Election Tribunal. In court are the leaders of the All Progressive Congress and executives of the People's Democratic Movement, including the presidential candidate of the party, Mr. Aminci Habu, and the national chairman of the party, Mr. Frank Igwebike. The business of the sitting was for the tribunal to deliver the pre-trial report, which will pave way for the hearing of the main petition. However, when the presidential candidate of the PDM, Mr. Abu Haminci, announced appearance on behalf of himself and the party, the national chairman of the party, Mr. Frank Igwebike, also announced appearance for the party and went on to ask that his party be withdrawn as a party in the petition. Mr. Igwebike's counsel, Mr. Morrison Onunu, informed the tribunal that he had filed a motion to that effect and that the said motion had been responded to by counsel to the presidential candidate. Hence, he will require time to respond. The chairman of the tribunal agreed to his request and then adjourned the sitting to July 18, 2019. In a short ruling, the chairman of the tribunal, Justice Muhammad Garba, explained that even though the sitting was for the delivery of the pre-trial report, the tribunal has no choice than to extend the pre-trial session to accommodate the fresh application by the chairman of the PDM. Outside the tribunal, both parties comment on the day's proceedings.
Since the petition in this matter was filed in March, there has been no meeting of the People's Democratic Movement for the purpose of taking any decision in relation to this petition. And even if they did, by the decision of this court in the case of Hope Democratic Party, they cannot withdraw from this petition.
The party, in its wisdom, reviewed the entirety of the petition and resolved and took the decision to withdraw as a petitioner. It doesn't affect the petition or the first petitioner. He can go on with his petition.
When both parties return on the next adjourned date, which is July the 18th, 2019, it is expected that they will try to convince the tribunal whether the PDM should remain a party in the petition or not. Amaka Okafu, Channels Television News.